I really enjoyed it. It's one of the best Toscas I've seen for a long, long time.
I thought it was incredible.
Amazing. Dramatic.
I absolutely loved it. Just the emotion of it and the spectacle.
The emotion and the actual expression of the singing was absolutely superb.
You don't have to know anything about music to be wowed by it.
It's not like anything I've ever seen before.
I thought it was amazing opera because there was lots of death, which I really liked.
It's a huge emotional experience and you could just get swept up in it.
Well worth seeing. Brilliant, brilliant.
It's an amazing cultural experience and go do it.